Hi, this is Jeff Downs. Welcome to Math 120, Fundamentals of College Math. This is sections 1007 and 1008, and this is the online section. My name is Jeff Downs, as I said earlier. My email address is downs@wnc.edu. My homepage is www.wnc.edu/Downs. My office is the Carson campus, Aspen 224. The phone number there is 775-445-4400. My office hour, Monday and Wednesdays, I have 11 to 1, and then on Friday, it'd be 11 to noon, or by appointment. Prerequisites for the class, we have Math 96 or Math 95 with a grade of B- or better, or equivalent. Course description offers a course in real numbers, consumer mathematics, variation, functions, relations and graphs, geometry or measurement, probability and statistics, sets and logics. So we have quite a bit of leeway on what we want to cover, and in this class I cover the following. This course is broad in scope and emphasizes applications. Topics will include probability, statistics, business, finance, and consumer mathematics. So areas 1 and 2 make up approximately 2/3 of the semester: probability and statistics, and then business, finance, and consumer mathematics, and then the last third is logic and sets. Okay, it's a 3-credit course. Transferability within the Nevada schools. This course is designed to apply toward a WNC degree and or transfer to other schools within the Nevada system of higher education, depending on the degree chosen and other courses completed. It may transfer to courses in universities outside Nevada. For information about how this course can transfer and apply to your program of study, please contact a counselor. The linkage to the college mission provide instruction that contributes to a student's ability to think critically and solve problems, to reason mathematically and apply computational skills. So the book we're using is A Survey of Mathematics with Applications, 9th edition, by Angel, Abbott, and Rund. So you have two choices. You can get the book and my math lab bundled together, or just get my math lab and use the online book. All homework and exams are going to be completed online in the My Math Lab program. So supplies, you need a textbook. That could be paper or the online version. And you're going to need a calculator. Let's just be honest. TI 83, 84, or 89. Or you could be using a TI 30X2S. I have a TI 89 I use quite a bit, and a TI 84 I use quite a bit. So the TI 30X2S is the calculator I use for my in-person classes. It's pretty inexpensive and very functional. Grading scale is pretty standard: A, B, C, D, F, as you see there. And come down to grade breakdown. There'll be a midterm for 200 points. There'll be 10 quizzes at 10 points each. Homework, there'll be 4 chapters of homework at 50 points each. Discussions, 10 at 10 points each. And the final exam, 1 at 200 points. So that's a total of 800 points. There'll be a midterm which is due on March 15th, 2016. The midterm will be conducted in my math lab. The midterm will cover chapters 11 and 12. There'll be no makeup for missed midterms, so you have to make sure you get that done. There'll be 11 quizzes, and I know you're thinking, wait a second, you just said 10 quizzes above. You're right. The top 10 quizzes will be counted toward the grade. Each quiz is worth 10 points toward the grade. If a quiz is missed, it'll receive a score of 0. Homework, there'll be 28 assignments over 4 chapters. Each chapter is worth 50 points. Homework will be completed through my math lab. To access this site, go to, and there's the link for it, and you could just type in my math lab and it should come up with it. And use the course ID Downs 59875. And I will not accept any late work. Now you can go in there and get an account going. I think it's for 14 days, maybe 17 days, but you can get one going for free. But if you don't pay by that time, then it gets deleted. So at least you can get started today. Discussions, you must provide at least 10 postings in the discussion board. The postings must be substantive and not simply say I agree. You can either ask a question from our material or you can answer a question. Your first posting should be an introduction about yourself. And I really want to stress this. This is the point where someone does all the work, works really hard, and is getting an A in the class, but they do 2 postings, their grade drops to a B, they get very upset. If it's not hard to do your postings, make sure you do these postings. Final exam. The final exam is due May 17th, 2016. You'll complete the final exam in my math lab. The final exam will cover chapters 13 and 3, so it is not a cumulative exam. Attendance. Students are not required to attend weekly meetings. We don't have any weekly meetings. The discussion grade is determined by the number of substantive posts on the discussion board in Canvas. I'll be checking posts in the introduction, homework discussions, and math jokes. No cheating of any kind will be tolerated. Any student caught cheating, attempting to cheat, or assisting in the cheating of another student will be expelled from the class with the failing grade. Early alert, please note that in an effort to help students successfully complete their courses, the counseling office on campus will ask faculty for names of students they feel may be in need of additional assistance. A counselor may contact you to offer some ideas. Grade appeals can be made to Scott Morrison. There's his email address. Disability statement. If you have a disability for which you will need to request accommodations, please contact Susan Trist, the coordinator for Disability Support Services. There's her office number and her email address. Okay. Here's a list of dates. Classes begin on the 25th, and then we have other things going on. April 1st, the last day to change credit to audit or audit to credit, and last day to drop full-term classes with a W. Okay. Down here I have a tentative schedule. I think we can keep to the schedule pretty well. So we start off on Monday here, the 25th, with with 3 sections. Got to work on those that week. There is a quiz due on February 1st. Quiz 1 is due. So be aware of that. So see how quizzes are due every week until we have a midterm. And we have spring break. Then we pick it up and quiz is due. And this quiz 7 is going to be over that 13.1 and 13.2. And then through quiz 11. I think the only thing that's not quizzed on is 3.3 and 3.4. I have that breakdown here. What all the quizzes are covering. Okay. And there's our final exam due date is on the 17th. I hope that clarifies things for the class. If you have questions still, please feel free to email me about that or post a question in the discussion boards. Okay, looking forward to the semester. Thanks.